Good morning, I am Sharon Nakundu from class 5C morning. Today I am going to prepare organic compost with the help of natural wastes. To make the compost, we need the following ingredients. First, we need a flower pot with a hole inside it so that water can be drained easily, and a tub underneath it so that the drained water can be collected. Then we need garden soil, neem leaves, some ready-made compost, newspaper shreddings, eggshells, green material wastes, chopped banana peels and wood sawdust. Let's begin the composting process. We have to place a chip on the hole so that the materials don't get out. For the first layer, we will use some garden soil. For the next layer, we use some ready-made compost which would introduce earthworms in the mixture. For the next layer, we need some green vegetables. Next, we have to spread some chopped banana peels and some crushed eggshells. Crushing them makes the decomposing process easier. For the next layer, we need some shredded newspaper, wood sawdust, and neem leaves. Then we again spread some green vegetables, ready-made compost, and finally again garden soil. Then we have to add water to the compost mixture as per requirements. We should not keep the compost mixture too wet but moist. Now I am keeping it in a place where there is direct sunlight. We have to reuse the drained water as it contains many required nutrients and bacteria. It is a good idea to mix the compost as it adds air to the mixture. It also helps to introduce the right kind of bacteria and decompose faster. Whenever the compost pile starts to dry up, we have to add more water to it. To fasten the process, we can simply cover our pot with dry leaves. Covering it helps to retain moisture and excessive heat. After 2 months, when the compost is ready, we can separate out all the leaves. As our homemade compost is ready, it is time to add our nutritious compost to plants.